Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this Toocki, don't really know how to say it properly, cable. It's a USB-C cable, and the only difference with this one is that the USB-C cable is right angled. So let me show you how it looks like. So in this packet it came with two Toocki cables. Let me know if I said it incorrectly and how I should be saying this brand. So you can see here this USB-A connector, just plug it into a power bank that I'll be testing, and this is the right angled USB-C connection. So let me just try plug it into this mobile phone and see if it charges. As you can see here, it's right angled, so it doesn't really stick out as much, and there you go, it works. So it is a 2-meter cable, so it's pretty long compared to the standard 1.2.